as we talk, you will hear me use two terms. One being job costing and another one being job pricing. So we always talk about job costing and job pricing. Here's what's important to remember. Job costing is what does it cost you to do a job. That is a very precise, calculatable, I don't know if that's a word, but it is now, calculatable number. You can always figure out what your cost is. Job pricing is what you charge somebody. That is what the market will bear. It's either based on what the market will bear or whatever percentage of profit you want to use or whatever that is. The job costing is very precisely what your cost is. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to do an exercise that will show you a little bit how to do job costing to figure out your cost of powder on a part. Your cost of powder on a part is not the cost per pound. It's the applied cost, because it depends on how much powder you use. And we have tools that we can use and calculations that we can use to figure all those things out, okay?